Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can impact our overall health and well-being. For those over 50, maintaining optimal health becomes increasingly important, and this is where the role of supplements and vitamins comes into play. With the proper nutrients, we can support our immune system, enhance our energy levels, and improve our cognitive function. But with so many options available, how do we know which supplements are truly beneficial? In this video, we'll explore the world of recommended supplements and vitamins explicitly tailored for individuals over 50. Navigating the supplement aisle can be overwhelming, especially with the myriad choices and claims. That's why we're here to simplify the process and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your health. You might wonder why supplements are so crucial after 50. As we age, our bodies may not absorb nutrients as efficiently as they once did. Additionally, certain health conditions and medications can deplete essential vitamins and minerals. This is why it's vital to consider supplementation to fill those nutritional gaps and support your body's changing needs. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn about the most effective and safe supplements for your age group. We'll cover critical vitamins like B12, D, and calcium, and discuss how they can improve overall health. We'll also touch on the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regimen, ensuring you choose what's right for you. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your bones, or enhance your mental clarity, stay tuned as we guide you through the essentials of supplementation for a healthier, more vibrant life after 50. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Most recommended supplements and vitamins. Our nutritional needs evolve as we age, making it essential to focus on specific vitamins and supplements that can support our health. Certain nutrients are crucial in maintaining vitality and well-being for individuals over 50. Explore some of the top supplements and vitamins that can significantly impact your health. First on the list is vitamin D. This vital nutrient is essential for bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium. With age, our skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation necessary. Adequate vitamin D levels can also support immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next up is vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, leading to potential deficiencies. Supplementing with B12 can help improve energy levels, enhance mood, and support cognitive function, making it a must-have for those over 50. Calcium is another essential nutrient that supports bone density and helps prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining solid bones becomes increasingly vital as we age, and calcium supplementation can be a critical factor in achieving that goal. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids deserve special mention. These healthy fats are known for their heart and brain health benefits. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support cognitive function, making them an excellent choice for older adults looking to enhance their overall health. While these supplements can provide significant benefits, consulting with healthcare providers is crucial before starting any new regimen. They can help assess your needs, recommend appropriate dosages, and ensure that your supplements won't interact with existing medications. By taking a thoughtful approach to supplementation, you can better support your health and well-being as you age. Supplements to avoid after 50. As we navigate the world of vitamins and supplements, it's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to embrace. Certain supplements can pose risks or may be unnecessary for individuals over 50. Look closely at some of these supplements and why they should be approached cautiously. One of the primary concerns is excessive iron intake. While iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood, many adults over 50, especially women who have gone through menopause, may not need additional iron. Too much iron can lead to serious health issues, including liver damage and an increased risk of heart disease. Assessing your dietary iron intake and consulting with a healthcare provider before considering iron supplements is crucial. Another supplement to be wary of is vitamin A. While this vitamin is vital for vision and immune function, excessive intake can lead to toxicity, particularly in older adults. High levels of vitamin A can cause various health problems, including liver damage and bone thinning. It's best to obtain vitamin A from whole food sources like carrots and leafy greens, rather than relying on supplements. Herbal supplements also warrant caution. For instance, kava, often used for its calming effects, has been linked to severe liver damage. Similarly, St. John's wort, commonly used for mood enhancement, can interact negatively with various medications, including antidepressants and birth control pills. These interactions can lead to serious side effects, making it essential to approach herbal supplements with care. Ultimately, the best approach to nutrition is to prioritize whole foods over unnecessary supplementation. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the nutrients your body needs without the risks associated with excessive or unnecessary supplements. Always consult a healthcare professional to safely and effectively tailor your nutritional needs. Common errors and mistakes in supplementation. Navigating the world of dietary supplements can be tricky, and many individuals make common errors that can undermine their health goals. Understanding these mistakes is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their well-being through supplementation. Let's explore some frequent pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the most significant mistakes people make is mixing supplements without professional advice. While it may seem harmless to combine various vitamins and minerals, certain combinations can lead to adverse effects or reduce the effectiveness of the supplements. For example, taking high doses of calcium can interfere with the absorption of magnesium and zinc. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen can help ensure you're not inadvertently creating imbalances in your body. Other standard errors are self-diagnosing deficiencies and oversupplementing. Many individuals may assume they have a deficiency based on symptoms or anecdotal evidence, leading them to take excessive amounts of specific vitamins or minerals. This can be particularly dangerous, as oversupplementation can result in toxicity and other health issues. For instance, excessive vitamin D can lead to hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by elevated calcium levels in the blood. They're getting proper testing and guidance from a healthcare professional to determine your needs. Additionally, keeping a log of your supplements is a simple yet effective strategy to avoid duplications and ensure you stay within recommended dosages. Many people must remember what they've taken or may need to realize they consume similar ingredients in different products. By maintaining a record, you can track your intake and discuss it with your healthcare provider, ensuring a more tailored and safe approach to supplementation. By being mindful of these common errors, you can make informed decisions about your health and maximize the benefits of supplementation while minimizing potential risks. Facts and myths about supplements. In the health and wellness world, supplements often come with facts and myths that can lead to confusion. Understanding the truth behind these misconceptions is essential for making informed decisions about your health. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding vitamins and supplements. One prevalent myth is that supplements are necessary for everyone. While it's true that some individuals may benefit from supplementation, particularly those with specific deficiencies or dietary restrictions, not everyone needs to take vitamins or minerals. Many can obtain all the necessary nutrients through a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's essential to assess your dietary habits and consult a healthcare provider to determine if supplements are necessary. Another common misconception is that all natural supplements are safe. Just because a product is labeled as natural doesn't mean it's free from risks or side effects. For example, herbal supplements like kava and certain forms of St. John's wort can have serious side effects and interact negatively with prescription medications. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the supplement industry means that the quality and potency of natural products can vary widely. It's crucial to cautiously approach all supplements, natural or synthetic, and do thorough research before incorporating them into your routine. To support informed decision-making, it's essential to rely on evidence-based facts. Research shows that while some supplements can provide health benefits, others may need more scientific backing to justify their use. For instance, while vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to support health, many other supplements lack robust evidence of effectiveness. Consulting with healthcare professionals and reviewing credible studies can help you navigate the complex world of supplementation and make choices that truly benefit your health. By debunking these myths, you can take a more informed and cautious approach to your supplement use. For individuals over 50 taking supplements and vitamins, it's essential to reiterate the importance of choosing the right supplements to support your health. Our bodies undergo various changes with age, affecting nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Focusing on the right vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, B12, and calcium, can enhance vitality and maintain a healthier lifestyle. However, it's crucial to remember that not all supplements are necessary or safe for everyone. We've highlighted the risks associated with excessive iron and vitamin A intake, and the potential dangers of mixing supplements without professional guidance. Additionally, we discuss the importance of avoiding self-diagnosing deficiencies and the need to keep a log of your supplement intake to prevent duplications. Consulting with healthcare professionals is vital for personalized advice tailored to your unique health needs. They can help you assess your dietary habits, recommend appropriate supplements, and ensure that you're not putting yourself at risk with unnecessary or harmful products. This collaborative approach can empower you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into supplementation for those over 50. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health insights and tips. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from understanding the importance of proper supplementation. Together, we can foster a community focused on health, wellness, and informed choices as we age gracefully. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.